What's up, lawn care family? It's Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care Service. And the question is today, what are your 2018 goals? So here are some of my plans, or should I say, here are some of my goals for 2018. One of my goals for 2018 is to do 5 or what they call 5 or 9 rounders. When you put your flyer or your business card on houses around your customers that you currently have. Another goal of mine is making sure that I keep my lawnmower maintenance. I didn't do a good job last year on changing the blades like I should have. But this time, I'm planning on changing my blades at least once a week. I know some of you guys say you cut so much that you change your blades like 2 or 3 times in a week. But for me, I'm gonna do it once a week, and my plan is to do it on a Friday. Another goal of mine is to do great customer service. So what you mean by that, great customer service? That's so broad. Of course it's broad, but what I mean by great customer service is somebody's gonna call you with a complaint, and their complaint may or may not be valid. But my job is to listen to the complaint, understand the complaint from the customer, and then fix it. That's my job. I want to give quality customer service. I know some people say, you know what, they want to get quality cuts. It's not like I'm coming to their yard to butcher their yard. No, I'm not going to do that. However, there's a lot of times things happen and people don't talk to their customers about it. You gotta have a way of communicating with your customers. So mine is quality customer service. My next plan is to be up on this social media. This is the way of the future, guys. If you're not on social media, if you don't have an Instagram account, if you don't have a YouTube account, you're gonna be left behind. You need to be able to communicate with your customers through their cellular phone device. That's where they go to. That's what you go to when you look for things, to your cell phone. So it's no different. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm up on the media. You gotta have a plan of action. No more dreaming about what you want your business to be, because dreams are for people who are asleep. Plans are agendas in order to reach a goal. Goals are made in order to reach success. So that's my plans. That's my goals for 2018. Tell me, what's your goal for the 2018 cut season? Leave a comment in below. Please click the like button, because you know what? I really don't do it just to be doing it for my health. I really do it because I want people to join my page. I want to put out content, but I want to know I'm talking to somebody. And the only way I can do that, you guys subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Amen. As always, cut on, lawn care family, cut on.